What's good, YouTube? It's about Prisoner and I'm back with another epic banger reaction video. See, people. Whoa, why the heck? Oh, my bad. So for today, as you see the title, bro, you don't know DDG got the bangers all the time. He about to bang this shit up. Wipe on that shit. That's only gears there. But anyways, let's get right into this video. We're gonna react to DDG freestyle, bro. Ain't know this nigga got it. You see. So I feel like I'm about to feel sick, but you know, fuck it out. You see me? Let's get into this late reaction video. Yeah. Wonder if my girl with big booty is gonna be it. Yeah.
Trey on the beat, yeah. Saying this beat too raw, boy.
Yeah, I'm see what Richard Mille do me now. Miami. Is that Miami? Right, that's like a little pin. You have a child, and you have a car in a box seat, and you have to head out the door. You have to head out the door asking him teeth.
What you mean that you can't say I ain't seen shit? I don't like nice girls, I want a mean bitch.
You want a mean bitch? Whoa. The mean bitch, I can't be a problem in your house, but because I said, yo, you chilling on me, chill, let me see your phone. And you go problem, go, whoop. You don't want that, bro. We know you don't want it. It's a song, I understand.
Still throw it back and she cook and she clean, bitch. Hit him and I put her straight to sleep.
Yeah, she have to clean and she have to cook. You see, she gotta cook. She got to, bro. She gotta cook, bro. Damn it. Me ain't those freaking shine up as a dog. Put a on here. None of that camera, something but that did that because of your life, kind of look shine. Yeah, she got to cook. If she can't cook, the door. Can't cook, the door. Get the, oh, you can't cook? No, the door.
I got lean dick, $40 on the coupe, hoes love the whip, 42 in my cup, bitch, I love the sip. I just ate a stroom out my pocket, bitch, I love the trip. Don't do GA, I'm popping, bitch, I love the VIP. Rose gold press, it's like 50K. I can...
Brother, we know it's about 50K. That thing don't cheap. We understand that shit, nigga. We know.
Make $1 million on a busy day. Shorty say she wanna kick it, like it's MMA. Don't waste my time, I ain't finna play shit.
For sure. Girl, tell her this. Say, oh, wait, I ain't got time. Don't do it, brother. Just tell me, because I don't got time for this. Got that shit. No, isn't it?
Yeah. Niggas in the game, I ain't fucking with you lames. Nigga, you can get your digits up.
You broke. If you can't get your digits up, you broke. There's enough time for you to get the digits up, brother. You see me? Get the digits up. You see me? The digits. You see me? Get it up.
Speeding in my lane, police got me fucking, I'ma rip the ticket up. Yeah, I was making plays off a telegraph. And when I was 20, nigga, do the math. Oh, he got hands, that's alright, cause we gon' shoot his ass. Brody got away because he slid with a COVID mask. I'd fuck iCarly if I had a chance. Man, Brody got away because he slid with a COVID mask. I'd fuck iCarly if I had a chance.
Like, for real? What the heck is happening to my phone, bro? Anyways, like for real, DDG, if I watch this, it will be an honor. Isn't me watch it, it will be an honor. But that one, if I comment down, like, if I for real, you just say, isn't it?
Made $250,000 on my OnlyFans, I fly.
Oh, God. OnlyFans bring that much money? But anyways, the advice I give on it, so you must give more money. So, we know, you give the advice, so we have to learn the breaks too. So, it's gonna make up money.
White bitch, the body just to get a tan. Fucking on the beach, I got my toes curled in the sand. All the hoes fuck with me, fly her out while this bitch keep on bugging me. Shit, insect. I take a nigga, bitch, action where his bitch at. Walking in the party, I ain't actually.
I ain't gonna say nothing more.
We're no list at. Face card good. Niggas know the name. Niggas say beefing with me, I don't know the lane. A whole lot of niggas hating on me, but they fans of me. I know my ex see this new bitch on the ground with me.
The dog say a whole lot of people hating on him, but my fans are him. As you can see, people, we have ended epic reaction video. We have ended this thing, bro. And you know what come on next? When next week, I see him do an interview and I say, man, I'm going to release the video, man. Young boy, I don't know so that shit I got lit, bro. I don't know that for a fact. So young boy got the bang. Yo, young boy, Gina, fucking Che, people, fucking Che. For sure. You know that EG ever making music better than Lita as ever. So, hope you enjoy this reaction and I'll continue with the bangers constantly. Okay, I don't know that summer start already and my school soon stop. So I don't know that every day after day a video a drop. You see me? As of today, to that way. Hold on, to that way. Hold on, hold up. Just shit. As of today, Sunday, June 13, you will be getting videos every single day, people. So stay tuned. A lot of reaction video. Cha-cha. People are texting like crazy. You see me? So, I'm out.